me over. Oh, oh. Oh, now you have your foot on it. Oh my goodness.
Now you try to find it.
No, I can't. I'm gonna go find another one. Oh no. Yikes. That didn't go on the floor, did it? Oh, I'm gonna stand on this one. Oh no. I'm gonna stand up now. Oh, boom. Yeah, I'll stand here. All set. What are you gonna do?
Here's some more.
Good.
What's that noise?
I think it might be Mommy and Nikki and Morgan.
Oh, I guess you're right.
Maybe.
You're right.
Good.
What are you gonna do with them today?
Play.
Great.
Hey, Di, here's some more of those green marshmallows. Hey!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. It's leaning, but it didn't fall. Uh-oh. I hear voices. Is the door open?
I don't know.
Hey!
Hey!
I was right.
Open it.
I was right. It's Nikki, Morgan, and Mommy.
Hi, gang. Oh my goodness, you brought lunch.
March 23rd,
Hi,
2011.
girl. How you doing?
Who is it, Brendan?
Rocky!
It's your friends, huh?
Yeah.
Well, where did you guys go today? If you went to
Hey!
you probably saw Uncle Mike.
Go ahead, go see them.
I only needed to take off my shoes.
Hi, John. Are you hugging your... Oh, thank you for the hug. I love you.
We're all so happy that you're here. Hello.
Doing this. Grandpa and Brendan a hug and you a hug.
No, we just picked them
Oh,
up.
another spot.
Brendan is very happy to see you all.
Or get the fruit if you want.
He's so happy he pooped. Who pooped? I think. I mean, we were getting the body language a couple